We're here ImageThink at Inc. 5000 in San Antonio, graphic reporting some of the keynote sessions here today at the main stage.
As a graphic recorder, what I'm doing is I'm listening for the biggest ideas, I'm synthesizing those in real time, and then I'm creating these visual depictions of them that attendees can use to stay engaged during the presentation.
A really great way to produce a visual asset from the keynote sessions, a distillation of the talks for the attendees to digest and share out, really memorializing the event.
And they're great assets afterwards to have Inc. follow up with attendees and keep the conversation going online as well.